I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson where we are going to talk about half-life and radioactivity. So if you are new to this platform, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you follow me either on Facebook or on YouTube. And don't forget to like and comment. This is a wonderful question that I'm having here. The question is saying, there are 5,500 grams of Cobalt-60. This is Cobalt-60. That has half-life of 5 years. In my previous videos, I defined what half-life is. So in certain exam questions, you will be told to say define half-life. And I remember telling you that half-life, this is the term taken for any radioactive material to decay by half of its present mass. So the term taken for any radioactive substance to decay by half of its present mass or material. This is what you need to know and understand. So the first question here is saying, how much is remained after 15 years? How much is remained after what? 15 years. So how much is remained after 15 years? The next question is saying, if 125 grams of cobalt are remained, how long does it take? This is what we want to answer. So how can we answer this question? What you are going to do, you are going to put a simple diagram like this. We are going to put something like this. So this one will answer all the questions. So you are going to say you've got what we call, we've got time there, which is the half-life, which is in what? Which is in years. We also have the mass. So we have the mass, which is in grams. This is what we are going to do. When you do this, the moment you just do this, then the time you say 0, what was the mass? The mass was 500. You do this. So the question is saying, how much is remained after 15 years? So you are able to confirm with me that this one has got a half-life of 5 years. So after 5 years, it is going to be decaying by half. Have you seen? So after 5 years, the time was 0, but the mass was 500. After 5 years, it is going to decay by half. This one will be 250 like that. After 5 years, this one is going to be 10. This one will decay by half. Half of this is 125 like this. Again, after 5 years, which is 15, this sample will decay by half. 125 divided 2. What answer are we getting? We are getting 62.5. And if you check very well what we are taught in the question, how much is remained after 15 years? 15 years is here. So after 15 years, how much is remained? This is what is remained. Have you seen? So the answer to this particular question, the answer to this one is just 62.5 what? Grams. You've answered this one here. Then the next question is saying, if 125 grams of cobalt are remained, how long does it take? Where is 125? 125 is just here. You are able to see it. So how long does it take? 10 years. The 10 is here where we are having 125. So it is 10 what? 10 years. Just like this. So this is what you are supposed to do. This is what you are supposed to get. Have you seen? So you need to understand this table. This is the most important table that you need to understand for you to go about these particular questions. These are simple questions that I expect you to be answering in your exams. There is also another short formula that you can use for you to answer these questions. But for now, I just want us to be using this. I think this one you are all able to understand. You just need to start with this. The time there, 0. But this one is having the mass. It's more like a baby that is born. A baby that is born, the time will be 0, but the baby will have some mass. This is what gets to happen. So the time is 0, but the mass is what? 500, the starting part. So time starts from 0, but mass will start at the original mass that is there. So this is what you need to understand. Thank you so very much. Those of you that could like to join me, this is my WhatsApp number. If you want to join my online lessons, this is my WhatsApp number. It's only 100 kwacha monthly. Mathematics, chemistry and physics. So chemistry and physics is just science, 100 kwacha. Mathematics is also 100 kwacha. I get to do live sessions where we discuss together. You are able to ask questions. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.